Hi guys, it's Tico again, and today we are playing another Minecraft. So, yeah, we're playing on the Hypixel again. Yeah, Hypixel. And today we're playing something different. Build Battle! Build Battle? Yeah, Build Battle! So yeah, we're almost there. Playing Build Battle. Pretty popular game. It's been on PC. Now it's on PE. Roller coaster. That's easy. That's really easy. They don't have rails? That's messed up. Well, we're gonna have to use stained clay. Yeah, we're using stained clay. Because we're awesome. Stained clay is awesome. Stained clay is awesome when you're part of a team. I don't really like that song. I'm just singing because I want to. I'm lonely. Bear, no. Yeah, we're building a roller coaster. Doesn't want to look like a roller coaster. It's supposed to. Don't be mean. Does this look like a roller coaster to you guys? To you fans out there? Pretty hard with the camera. Yep, guys. Yep, it's a roller coaster. We need more colors. What's a good color? Green. That's a really bad green. Guys, my roller coaster is really good. Don't judge me. Don't judge me if it looks ugly. I'm trying my hardest. It's hard to focus the camera and play. When in white, be colorful. So I got an itchy. Shake the camera a little bit. Keep building. Oh, we're at the limit. We need a new color. Red, my favorite color. Yeah, guys, if you didn't know, red's actually my favorite color. This roller coaster is gonna be perfect. Perfect! Perfecto. Now, new color. I think we use like every color. Pink! Pink. I know. But still, it's a colorful roller coaster. Don't judge me. It's a roller coaster that's colorful. coaster name. Ride it. That's not ride it. It's exploring. Why is it like somewhere underneath this? So to start, the entrance. Oh, okay. This is not a roller coaster. I'm sorry whoever built this. Super poop. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's an okay. It's okay. But this is not a build. What kind of build is this? Okay. Rebel. Okay. That's an okay. That's an okay. That's pretty okay. Not too bad. Sorry, he's coming down. Poop. That's a poop. Wow. That's it. Oh, it's mine. That's a poop. That's a super poop. This is this. It's going down. Poop. Regular poop. He won. I just put a poop for his. What place did I get? Oh, didn't tell me. Wait, what? You know what? Back to hub. You guys really enjoyed my Skywars video. So, just make another one. You guys really enjoyed my Skywars. It's like a mashup. The game will start in 15 seconds. Guys, I'm going to edit it so you guys don't have to wait, so... Okay, guys, we're back. Yeah, I edited it, so... You have to wait a button. Where's that button? Yeah, guys, I had to say you guys didn't have to wait, so just do this. I do that, so you say. I just realized they didn't give us any blocks. They're gonna make us mine. That's mean. Are we supposed to be mining? I don't know, but I'm doing it. Okay, now we got 6 dirt. We're cheap. We barely... Why is there buttons everywhere? Somebody ruined this map. Oh god. How did... Scary. He's scary. No. The button chase. The button chase. Oh my god. Oh, it's glitchy again. So guys... Hopefully you guys enjoyed my video, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos every day, or maybe I'll make one today, but for now, Popcorn out.